Hello everyone, I'm Aditi from myonlineshiksha.com. I hope you're keeping well and keeping safe. So public speaking is often considered to be an art which if mastered can do wonders for you. But we often don't know where to start or what to do. But don't worry because today we have with us one of the best speakers of India, author Sherry. Author Sherry is a renowned public speaking coach and a founder of MS Talks India and Public Speaking University in India as well. He belongs to a family of 3 generations of authors. My words fall short, sir, because your achievements are humongous. You've also delivered various TED Talks and Josh Talks in India. And now you are on your way to create 1 million public speakers in India by the year 2030. I welcome you, sir, on behalf of myonlineshiksha.com.
Thank you so very much, Aditi, for having me here. Thanks for the wonderful introduction.
You're welcome, sir. So today we'll be talking on how public speaking is an asset to brighter future. So, sir, as I mentioned before, you are on your way to create 1 million public speakers in India by the year 2030. But sir, why do you think people need to master the art of public speaking in the first place?
Okay. Well, I must tell you that it doesn't matter which field you belong, whether you are in a job, whether you are a business owner, whether you are a serial entrepreneur, whether you are a freelancer, whether you are an advocate, a doctor, or an architect, or somebody who is selling the services and goods, you are anyone. If you are listening to this interview, if you are watching this, I must share that with you that in today's time, communication is the number one skill emerged in the world. And public speaking is directly related to communication. And public speaking is never about perfection. It's always about self-confidence. Perfection is a myth in public speaking. If you can just create that confidence inside you, then you will see some great results for you. I've seen many people who are in business, many students who are in colleges, becoming leaders in corporates. They have taken great benefits by just applying the techniques and methods which I share usually in my course. Okay. And that is what we have done in this online Shiksha course as well. We have taken some excellent methods, techniques during the course, wherein all these people, all the set of people from any walk of life, whether it's a housewife also, whether it's a freelance, whether it's a business owner, a startup-preneur, a student, a college-going student, a youth, if you are anyone, let me tell you, we have created something brilliant for you, and you should definitely opt for it. You will learn a lot of things through this course. And as I said, public speaking is never about perfection. It's always about confidence. You need to create that confidence. And public speaking is a royal road to self-confidence.
Okay, so wonderful, wonderful. So for this purpose, I believe you have also established Public Speaking University in India. Am I correct? So,
that's right.
Yeah. So, can you tell us more about that?
Sure. Well, I started this community 11 years back. We are a community of more than 5 lakh global members now. Right. And I'm helping a lot of aspiring trainers, orators, public speakers, professional speakers to come out and share their talks. So I'm training them through personal coaching, through group coaching programs, also through online courses like I have done up with onlineshiksha.com. So you see, anybody who is now enrolling for this particular course, after watching this interview or probably who's watching this interview, you can get in touch. Public Speaking University is also creating an ecosystem for the countrymen to promote presentation literacy, public speaking and effective communication in India. Okay. If you are someone who is afraid of talking in public, you should definitely understand how we are operating. I am here to help people. I am here to give people an opportunity to stand on the platform. So MS Talks India is a national platform, just like Josh Talks and TEDx Talks.
Okay.
And as you said, I have spoken on more than 370 prestigious platforms in India till now. And I
It's
have
huge.
spoken on international platforms also. So I'm somebody who's talking practically all all experience. It's not a theoretical knowledge which I'm just sharing.
Okay.
I'm
Right.
sharing everything with my experience. And that is exactly what we do. We promote skill education, we promote presentation literacy and public speaking, because public speaking is the next big industry in India.
It
Now,
is. It is.
lot many people who are poets, who are doing open mics, who are stand-up comedians, who are someone who are doing corporate gigs, who are doing anchoring everywhere, everywhere. And if you are not mastering this art, then let me tell you, you are missing something really, really big in your life, and that's really gonna, you know, give you a big loss. You need to learn the skill, any cost, and you have to take the first step. And the time has come. Take the first step.
Yes, so I think it's wonderful that you've taken this initiative. We need more people like you. But sir, what about the people who cannot like physically be there in the university? So for that purpose, myonlineshiksha.com has your courses as well online. So what aspects have you covered in these courses, and how will people benefit by signing up for these courses just by sitting at home?
Sure. See, through onlineshiksha.com, they can purchase this online course at the convenience of their laptop or mobile phone. They
Right.
can purchase the course and start watching videos. In the videos, I have given detailed information starting from the basics of public speaking
Yeah.
to the techniques, methodologies, storytelling techniques, public speaking techniques,
Yeah.
the communication framework, how to use non-verbal body language, how to use your voice, how to present in different structure, what is the speech structure, how to deliver your keynote, everything in detail I have covered. More than 48 videos are there.
My
So
God.
there
Yeah.
is a lot of content. For 12 to 13 days, you can just consistently learn about public speaking. And as they say, what you listen and what you see more, you adapt. It impacts your mindset. And the moment you create that mindset of learning through onlineshiksha.com course of public speaking, you will see yourself evolving over a period of time, and you will definitely become a great public speaker.
Yes, sir. So, are there any prerequisites for taking this course? Any age limit or any qualifications? Or there
I
aren't?
personally, I personally believe that if you want to become a public speaker, I have seen talented youth, teenagers at the age of 11, 12, because I have judged many competitions in India,
Hmm.
international, national competitions as a jury. And I'm somebody who's fanatic about public speaking. I always say this: I am not a public speaking expert. I'm an expert public speaking student.
Oh,
So I'm just fond of speeches and oratory skills.
yeah.
And I've noticed that in India there is lot of talent, huge talent in India. Kids at the age of 10, 11, 12 years are speaking brilliantly. And why? Because they're not conscious. They're not bothered what you are thinking, I'm thinking. They're just talking about their heart. They're speaking their heart.
Yeah.
And after noticing all these things, we are doing great amount of events for kids also under the banner of MS Talks India.
Okay.
But you see, your question is around the age barrier. I am here to say, if any kid is watching this, 7 years, 8 years, 9, 10, 11, 13, no matter what age bracket you are, if you are willing to learn
Hmm.
the art of public speaking, you should definitely enroll for the course. There is no prerequisite for it.
Okay. Wonderful, sir. So, in your books also, by the way, which are tagged as best-selling books by Amazon, you've talked about mastering the art of public speaking and unleashing your hidden talents. So, to sum it up, will you give any one mantra which helps you to master the art of public speaking?
Well, I have written this best-selling book, How to Become Master of Speeches and Talks.
Yeah.
It was inaugurated by the former Indian cricket captain of India, Mr.
Okay.
Bishan Singh Bedi, at Hotel The Park this year in February,
Oh,
and
nice.
this became international bestseller. So after this book, I got very popular for public speaking. And you see, if you really want to become public speaker, you have to read a lot. You should definitely get and check out this book. And as
Definitely.
you said, it's all about practicing. The one mantra which I wanted to share is practice. And the second, which is most important, which I always say in my speeches and my talks, in my coaching sessions, if you are able to create human connection in your talk, you are there.
Yeah, the other day I just watched one of your videos where you're talking about ethos and pathos and Lagos, I think. So I was really amazed by the amount of confidence and the amount of information actually you have, because you've read a lot, you can speak a lot, and that I think speaks volumes for a person like you. And so I'm so glad that we had you today with us. MyOnlineShiksha.com is honored to have a chat session with you. It was so inspiring, and I know all our viewers are going to get so inspired by you. So this is for all my viewers. MyOnlineShiksha.com gets you the access to all author Sherry Sir's courses. So don't forget to log on to MyOnlineShiksha.com for more. And also, we are bringing to you a lot more chat sessions with eminent personalities and faculties on various courses. So stay tuned. Go on to our Facebook page and our Instagram page for more details. So I am Aditi signing off from myonlineshiksha.com. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.